intense. Alright, so I'm gonna make chicken salad sandwiches. Now first we need chicken salad. Smells like JJ. You're gonna, okay, now we have like this much tartar sauce at the bottom, and since we can't find any Miracle Whip or mayonnaise and or relish because Alexia's house doesn't have it, lovely, we're gonna use tartar sauce because it's essentially the same thing just put together. Okay, but we have to get it at the bottom of the lid, so here we go. Alright, we shook it to the bottom. Alright, up, it exploded. Darn, there's nothing. Alright. Still nothing. Okay. Big guns. Alright, and this is called penny pinching. Bring it on. Bottle.
Oh, I thought you said brains.
Nope, bring it on. I'm not a zombie. Good Lord, how many times do I have to tell you that? In the sink. Marcel will wash it. It is 11:36 and we're making chicken salad sandwiches at night.
Chicken? You mean tuna?
Nope, it's chicken salad. That's what the can said.
No, that's tuna.
Shut up. You're ruining my video! Okay. Mustard. No, shoot. We don't have enough, Alexia. What are we gonna do?
You're gonna die?